If you're over 60, you might find yourself reflecting on the changes that come with age. Maybe you've noticed things aren't quite the same as they used to be, especially when it comes to intimacy and confidence. It's easy to feel discouraged, to wonder if anything really works anymore. Or if you just have to accept things as they are. You're not alone. Most men your age share these doubts and frustrations. It's a common belief that solutions are out of reach. But here's something you might not expect. There are options that can still make a real difference, especially if you approach them with the right mindset and use them correctly. Today, we're shining a light on Eroxon Gel, a product designed specifically for men in your stage of life. You might be surprised at just how effective it can be and why it could work better than you ever imagined. As men get older, their bodies naturally go through a series of changes. Blood flow throughout the body, especially to certain areas, tends to slow down. This can make it harder to feel the same sensations as before, and sensitivity often reduces over time. These changes are a normal part of aging, but they can catch many men by surprise. Response time, both physically and emotionally, isn't the same as it used to be. Activities that once felt effortless may now require more patience and understanding. This can sometimes lead to frustration or disappointment, especially when expectations remain the same as in younger years. That's why many treatments feel less effective after 60. It's not necessarily because the treatments themselves have stopped working, but rather because they may not be tailored to the unique needs of this stage of life. Adjusting how and when treatments are used and seeking guidance from healthcare professionals can make a significant difference in results and overall satisfaction. Eroxon Gel works differently from pills like Viagra or Cialis. Instead of going through your whole system, it works locally, meaning it's applied directly and designed to stimulate response more naturally and quickly. And for men over 60, that can actually be an advantage. So, how should you use Eroxon Gel properly after the age of 60? It's a common question, and it's important to approach it with the right mindset and a bit of patience. As we age, our bodies change, and so do our responses to different products. Understanding how to use Eroxon Gel effectively can make a real difference in your experience and results. First, keep your expectations realistic. Eroxon Gel is designed to help, but it's not a miracle cure. It's important to remember that results can vary from person to person, especially as we get older. Don't expect instant or dramatic changes overnight. Instead, focus on gradual improvement and be patient with yourself. It may not be instant. Sometimes it can take a little while for the gel to work, especially if you haven't used similar products before. Give it time to absorb and do its job. Rushing the process or expecting immediate results can lead to disappointment. Second, always apply it exactly as directed. Use only a small amount, as recommended in the instructions. More is not better, and using too much can actually reduce its effectiveness or cause unnecessary irritation. Take your time and make sure you're following the guidelines closely. Third, give your body time to respond. After 60, it's completely normal for things to take a bit longer. Don't get discouraged if you don't notice immediate effects. Consistency and patience are key. Allow yourself the space to adjust and see how your body reacts over several uses. If you have any concerns or questions, don't hesitate to talk with your healthcare provider. They can offer guidance tailored to your specific needs and help you get the most out of your experience with Eroxon Gel. And finally, stay relaxed. Stress and anxiety can actually make it harder for the gel to work. Try deep breathing, meditation, or simply taking a few moments to unwind before and after application. A calm mind and body can really enhance the effectiveness of the product. Remember, stress and pressure can reduce effectiveness more than anything else. Enjoy the process, be gentle with yourself, and give yourself credit for taking steps to improve your well-being. Some common mistakes men make: using too much gel, expecting instant results, or rushing the process. Also, if you have underlying health conditions or take regular medications, it's always a good idea to speak with your doctor first. So, yes, Eroxon Gel might actually work better than you think, even after 60. But the key is understanding your body, using it correctly, and having the right expectations. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more honest and practical men's health advice.